I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
And we are the Crafty Lumberjacks.
We are so excited to partner up with Krazy Glue and try out their new fast dry wood glue.
Yes, it works on a variety of different wood surfaces. You can find this on Amazon or Walmart. And you know we make a lot of crafty projects, so anything that helps us speed up the time is a win for us.
Yes, we're gonna put it to the test and try to make a plant stand that's gonna fit perfectly in our living room. Let's get crafty.
We have all our wood pieces cut. We sketched out a little design here on a piece of paper. And for the whole structure, we're using 1-inch square dowels.
Yeah, we want to do a crossbar on the top and then a shelf on the bottom.
We knew we wanted to use this pot, so we based our whole design around this. We're using 4 20-inch pieces, 4 6-inch pieces, 1 9-inch piece, 2 4-inch pieces, and then we have our shelf here, which is 9 by 9.
All right, let's get gluing.
This is great. It bonds in just 6 minutes.
Yes, there's no overnight drying time for this.
We just did our legs.
Yes, we had clamps ready, thinking that we would glue and then clamp. No,
We don't need them.
It works really quickly, so you're gonna wanna work quickly.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Crazy glue. Hey!
We're measuring 2 inches for the crossbar.
And then we're gonna glue it together.
Our first piece is together. We checked it with a level.
It's already standing on its own.
Hey! Okay, now onto the shelf. We actually couldn't find a 9 by 9 piece of wood, so we're gonna glue 2 together.
All right, we're in the final stretch here. We're gonna start by gluing on the top brackets first, and then kind of put the shelf in.
Let's get gluing.
It's insane.
Wow.
This would take forever if you were doing it with a saw and then clamping it and waiting for all the wood to dry.
And a little goes a long way. So if it overspills, it dries clear, but you can sand or paint right over it. Not bad. Even better. Wow.
All right, it's pretty incredible.
Yeah, not including cut time, this only took about 20-25 minutes.
Yes, we're gonna leave it all natural for now. You could, of course, stain this, or even if you wanted to add a modern flair, you could paint it like a bright color or
But
something.
I think it looks so cute.
Yeah,
just
it's
as
so
is.
cute. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit before we start stacking things on it, but I can't wait to dress it up.
I can't wait to try other projects with this glue.
Yes, and I think they'd be great for little repairs around your house.
Oh, yeah.
Really easy breezy. And we love it.
I love it.
Thank you, Krazy Glue.
Thank you.
Oh, we didn't glue that part yet.